The Goa Deputy Chief Minister Babu Asgaonkar's video goes viral. The Deputy Chief Minister can be seen wearing the mask and dancing on the tunes of a song for a haldi ceremony. But what about others? When a reporter asked Manohar Asgaonkar about the video, he said that it was his niece's haldi ceremony, only family members were present. He also urged people to invite only limited people for their wedding and to follow social distancing and other precautionary measures. The Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant earlier this month had imposed a night curfew in the state along with restrictions. CM also clarified that wedding up to 50 persons will require no permission from the district administration. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.